Your phone is pretty filthy. I mean, not like it's caked in mud, unless it is. And if that is the case, then please get that mud off. Why have you kept it on there for that long? No, I'm talking microscopically. There's a fair amount going on with your phone screen that you probably didn't know about. So here are some pretty stinky phone facts that will pique your interest for the next few minutes while you're probably watching this on the toilet. He knows me so well. Well, it's just not accurate, is it? Shame. Your phone is a breeding ground for horrible little germs, and what makes this even more gross is how close you put your phone to your face. The University of Arizona found that the average mobile phone is 10 times dirtier than a toilet seat. Another study also found that a typical high schooler's smartphone can have as many as 17,000 bacterial gene copies on it. Try not to think about that next time you phone someone. But Ben, I wash my hands, I'm good. I'm sure you do, person who sounds an awful lot like me, but that's not the problem here. The reason your phone holds so many germs is because it is the perfect environment for bacteria to grow easily. Your phone keeps warm throughout the day because of it constantly being on and how often we use it. And I'll tell you this now, bacteria love a good warm day at the old phone beach. Does that explain it well? Sure, why not? These germs on our phones can also lead to the development of acne and blackheads. When your phone is pressed up against your face while you're on a call, the surface of our skin warms up, opening up our pores. The bacteria lying on your phone sees an opportunity and moves from the beach to a lovely multi-story living organism. Ugh. Now, for some of you, this might not even be a problem. And if this video wasn't for you, well, I'm sorry, I'll put a GIF right here to make it worth your while. But for those of you who aren't fans of germs, what can you do to help combat those horrible little mini creatures? There are plenty of cell phone cleaning kits out there for you to purchase from many different stores, including, you know where, the big phone store. Excuse me, that was a big one. Or if you want to be a bit more high-tech, you can find smartphone sanitizing stations that use UV light to kill germs. And it looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you on the next one.